Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are talking about low maintenance haircut ideas for women over 50. As we grow older, we want hairstyles that are easy, comfortable and still very stylish. The good news is that you don't need to spend hours in front of the mirror to look beautiful. The right haircut can save time and still make you look fresh and confident. First, let's talk about the classic pixie cut. A pixie cut is short, light and very easy to manage. You only need a few minutes to style it. Just comb it and you are ready. It also makes your face look brighter and younger. This haircut is perfect for women who want something simple but modern. Another great option is the short bob. A bob cut is always in fashion. It looks neat and classy. You can choose a chin length bob or a slightly longer one. This haircut does not need too much styling. You can keep it straight or add soft waves if you want a little volume. It is perfect for daily life and special events too. If you like a little more length, try a layered shoulder length cut. Layers are very helpful, especially if your hair feels thin. Layers add movement and make hair look fuller. This style is easy to maintain and does not require much effort. You can let it air dry and still look good. Now let's talk about the shag haircut. A soft shag cut with light layers give a relaxed and natural look. It is perfect for women who want volume without too much work. This style looks good even without perfect styling. It gives a fresh and modern feeling. For women with curly hair, a short curly cut is a wonderful choice. Natural curls look beautiful and lively. You just need a good curl cream and let your hair dry naturally. Curly styles are low maintenance because they already have shape and volume. If you prefer very simple stylish styles, a blunt cut can also work well. A straight cut at shoulder length looks clean and elegant. It is easy to brush and easy to manage. Regular trims will keep it look healthy. Grey hair is also very popular and beautiful. Many women over 50 are choosing to keep their natural grey color. So friends, thanks for watching my video. See you again. Allah Hafiz.